Hello, happy family. Welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. I hope everyone is doing awesome. I'm so happy to be back and let's start cooking. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how I make this delicious, authentic Ghanaian waakye recipe. So first of all, we're going to start by washing some black eye beans. This is about 1 cup. So I just added cold water and I'm going to wash that really well. So yes, make sure that you clean your beans really well. And then after that, go ahead and set your stove into a medium heat and then add your water. So I added about 4 cups of water in my cooking pot and then I'm gonna add my beans. So after you add your beans, just cover it up. So next I'm adding here awache leaves. Yes, with these leaves, you can get some from any African store or any African shop near you. When preparing a waakye, it's very important to add your waakye leaves because that's what gives that color to your rice. You know what I mean? So definitely you need some waakye leaves. So what I usually do is I added water. I have to wash it first, and then I cut them into small sizes. Usually that's what I do, and then you can add it to your rice. Yes, and you don't need to use a lot, just a few of it, and that will do the work for you. So after you're done washing your waakye leaves, go ahead and add it into the beans. So some prefer to cook the beans first, but I prefer to add the waakye leaves before it started boiling. So this for you get that rich color. And if you want your waakye leaves or your waakye to be like so rich in color, you can add just a pinch of baking soda, and then that will bring out that beautiful color that you're looking for. So next I'm going to add about 2 cups of basmati rice. Okay, you can add any preferred rice of your choice, and I really love basmati rice because it's easy to cook and doesn't have a lot of starch. So next I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of salt, and then go ahead and stir your rice. You can tell that this waakye is going to look so good. Okay, so after I let boil like almost halfway, so I'm going to remove some of the leaves. So don't remove all of it because it's not really done yet. So yeah, just a few of it should be okay. So next I'm going to cover my waakye and then have it simmer. So I'm using a low heat at this point of time. And make sure to check it consistently. You have to stir and give it a little time to cook, okay? So meanwhile, you have to make sure that you have your stew, your shito, and everything that's gonna go along with it ready. Okay, so yeah, you can tell that waakye is coming out really well. It's almost done. I really love the outcome of this waakye. This is how I love my Ghanaian waakye. Perfect. You know what I mean? Looks so delicious. So at this point of time, it's done. Okay, you just go ahead and get your stew ready. And then this is how I prepare my stew, and I have my fish and everything ready to go, guys. So it's about to dish it out. So this is how I serve my waakye in asanka. You know how much I love my asanka. I know this asanka is pretty old, but I really love it. Okay, so yeah, let's make use of it. Alright, so guys, this is how I prepare my authentic Ghanaian waakye, and usually we serve our waakye with curry, salad, noodles, or spaghetti. That's what goes along with it. And also you can add any meat of your choice, but I really love fish, so yeah, usually you can add willy, any meat that you want to eat that with. And after that, go ahead and add your stew and your shito, and this is the perfect dish of authentic Ghanaian waakye. If this is your first time trying this, please do so and then let me know because you will never regret it. I miss you guys so much. Thank you so much for your love, your support, and everything throughout these years. It means a lot. Till I see you again, stay safe and have a blessed day.